Hello everyone, welcome to the Bodhi Academy. Today we'll start with Standard 12 Accountancy PYQ solution of Chapter 6, that is Accounting of Debentures. So in this chapter we learn with regards to debenture. Debenture is nothing but it is a written acknowledgement of debt, okay, and in return it's like a public giving loan to the company, okay, and in return public gets interest on that. So the first question is Samruddhi Limited issued 12,000 10% debentures of rupees 200 each for subscription. Then the debenture money was payable as follows. Now that debenture is of rupees 200, okay, and now this 200 is distributed as rupees 80 with application, so 80 on application. So the first entry what you have to pass is on application, because application is like registration, and then balance on allotment. So the whatever the balance is remaining, that is on allotment, okay. All the debentures were subscribed by the public and money was duly received. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of Samruddhi Limited. Now, the first one is you have to pass it on application. So, on application, bank account debit. So here, bank whatever the registration amount, it will go into the bank account of the respective Samruddhi's Limited company. So bank account debit to 10% debenture application account. Now here we have to take that 10% because the name itself is given as 10% debenture. So first entry obviously it will go on application, and here you are showing that your application money is receiving, okay, on the to Samruddhi Limited. So being application money received on 12,000 debenture. Now here in the question they have mentioned debentures are of 12,000 each. So 12,000 multiplied by 80, you will get 9,60,000. Okay. So here this is on application. Now first you have to pass on received amount. The second you have to show that whatever this amount is there, no 9,60,000, this you have to transfer it to the debenture account. Like how we did for share, we used to maintain a separate account, that is share capital account. Now here for this debenture you have to prepare a debenture account. Okay, then whatever the amount is there, you have to transfer it to debenture account. So the next entry what you are going to pass is 10% debenture application account debit 9,60,000 to 10% debenture account. Now this amount you are transferring it to this account instead of bank. Now you are transferring it to 10% debenture account. So narration is very important. Narration you have to write down being application money transferred to 10% debenture account. Okay. Now, with regards to the next part, they have given with regards to allotment, but they have said that rupees 80 on application. So the balance, whatever balance is remaining, that is 120, will be on allotment. Okay, so this amount is on allotment. So 120 is our balance. Now, whenever you are passing the balance entry, what you have to do is again this 10% debenture allotment account will come, like how it came over here, 10% debenture application account. Now this was for application, but here you have to pass for the allotment. The same thing you have to pass, but here due entry is going to come. Okay, it's like the amount is pending and now you have to pay. Okay, so first whenever you are passing the allotment entry, the first entry what you have to pass is due, and the next entry what you have to pass is received. But if in case of application, it remains same for both shares and debenture. First you have to pass bank account entry, and then you have to show that whatever money is there, you have to just transfer it to debenture account. Okay. So now this is for allotment. For allotment, how you are going to do 12,000 debentures at rupees 120. So allotment money due 14,40,000 will come. Then whatever the amount is due, now you are showing that it is now received into the bank. So bank account is debited to 10% debenture allotment account. Now here allotment account first for the first entry it was debited. Now for the second entry you have to credit it. So if you see, we have credited this to 10% debenture allotment account, and we have showed that whatever the money was due, you have to pass in the bank account. Okay, as and you have to show that the money is being received, and whenever you are writing the narration, you have to write down being allotment money received on 12,000 debentures at rupees 120 per debenture. So the answer will be 14,40,000 here on both debit and credit side. And this heading you have to write down, which is very important, Journal of Samruddhi Limited. Yes. So the second question is, Deepraj Company Limited issued 20,000 10% debentures of rupees 50 each, payable as rupees 10 on application, rupees 20 on allotment, and rupees 20 on final call. The company has not yet made the final call. Pass the journal entries in the books of Deepraj Company Limited. So now here they have given 10% debentures of rupees 50 each. Now this 50 rupees they have divided as rupees 10 on application. Okay, rupees 10 on application, rupees 20 on allotment, and again rupees 20 on first and final call. So this is how 50, 20, 20 plus 10, and total is 50. So first entry always we pass it on application. So how we are going to pass? First one, bank account debit to 10% debenture application account. So whatever money we are receiving, we first receive it into the bank account of these journal entries in the books of Deepraj Company Limited. So here the first entry what you have to pass it is on application. Second one, you have to always transfer this into the 10% debenture account, that this account. Okay, so for that whatever now this we have credited, right? So whatever we have credited, now you have to debit it. So here we have credited 10% debenture application account. Now you have to debit it, 10% debenture application account debit to 10% debenture account. Okay, so now we have transferred this to debenture account, and now you have to write down the narration, being application money transferred to 10% debenture account. Second one, the second always we pass allotment entry. Okay, first is application, now is allotment. So for allotment, again the same situation will be applied over here, but the name is going to change. Instead of application, you are going to write down allotment over here. So you have to write down 10% debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture account. Now this you have to find, like 20 multiplied by 20,000, because here the allotment money what they have given is 20 rupees 20. So 20,000 were the share, one share of 20,000. So 20,000 multiplied by 20, you will get this whole leg. Then with regards to this also we did the same, that is 20,000 multiplied by 10, we got this. Now, after passing this entry, now first whatever entry, as I told you, whatever entry we pass, the first entry we pass due entry with regards to allotment. Even with regards to the final call, we pass the due entry. Okay, and next one entry, the second entry which we pass is received entry. Okay, so the first one we have passed due entry over here with regards to allotment. Now we have to show that the amount is going into the bank account. We are depositing that into the bank account. So that's why the narration we have written as being allotment money received. Okay, so bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment account. Now, but in the question they have also given with regards to final call. Final call they have given as rupees 20, but they have said that company has not yet made the final call. So only the two entries you have to pass with regards to application and allotment. Since they have not yet made the final call, you have to skip the final call journal entry over here. Okay, so this is how you have to solve journal entries in the books of Deepraj Company Limited. So the third question is, Suvarna Company Limited purchased a machinery for rupees 45 lakhs from Gaukar Enterprise. Okay, now Suvarna Company Limited, they purchase a machinery from Gaukar Enterprises Limited. So since they purchase a machinery, the first entry what will come is machinery account debit, since machinery is a real account and you have to pass the real account golden rule, that is debit what comes in. Now machinery is coming in, that's why it is debited to Gaukar Enterprises Limited. Okay, now they purchase a machinery for rupees 45 lakhs. Okay, so that's why here directly we put 45 lakhs, and the narration you have to pass, being machinery purchased from Gaukar Enterprise. Next, it was agreed that the purchase consideration to be paid of rupees 5,40,000 by check. So the purchase consideration they paid as 5,40,000. Okay, and the balance amount by issuing 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10%. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of Suvarna Company Limited. So second entry, journal entry, what will come is of 5,40,000, because here they did a part payment. Okay, so only the part payment they did. So whenever they are paying, right now they are paying it to Gaukar Enterprise, so they are receiving the amount. That's why this Gaukar Enterprises will be debited, okay, by 5,40,000. And since Suvarna Company Limited money is going, so that's why they have credited bank account. So to bank account credit 5,40,000. So here these two entries you have to pass first. Of that, first is machinery being purchased, and second, how much is the part payment done. Now for the third entry, you have to remember that you have to now check how much is the balance remaining. Now they paid 5,40,000 out of this 45 lakhs. They paid only 5,40,000. So how much is the balance remaining? Balance remaining is 39 lakhs 60,000. Okay, so this is the balance which is remaining to pay. So that's why we have written again. Now these Gaukar Enterprises are getting debited over here by 39 lakhs 60,000, because this amount we have to pay. The question says that the balance amount they are paying by issuing 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10%. So whenever there is a discount, you have to minus. Okay, now debentures are of rupees 100 each, right? And now they are paying it with 10% discount. So 100 minus 10, so 90. So on 90,000 you have to calculate. Now Gaukar Enterprises account debit will be debited by 39 lakh 60, because this is the balancing amount which is left. 45 lakh minus 5 lakh 40,000, you will get this amount. This is the amount which is remaining to pay. Now you have to find out how much is one debenture of. So how you are going to find out? You have to find out the purchase consideration, and the formula to calculate purchase consideration is amount payable divided by the issue price. Amount payable divided by issue price. Now how much is the amount payable? Amount payable is 39 lakh 60,000 divided by the issue price. Issue price we got as 10. Issue price we got as 90. So you'll get this 44,000 on this. So since that they have applied discount on that, what you have to do is you have to pass the discount entry. If there was a premium entry, then you will pass share premium entry over here. Now since they have given discount, you have to pass discount entry. Discount on issue of debenture account debit, that is 4,40,000. Next entry what will come is to 12% debenture account. Okay, this is the normal journal entry, first and the last one. And since they have mentioned something extra, you have to put discount on issue of debenture, because they are issuing the debenture by giving discount of 10%. Okay, so next, what you have to pass is being issue of 44,000 debentures. How we got 44,000 is by this formula, amount payable divided by the issue price. Okay, so we got 44,000 over here. So what you have to do is 44,000 debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10. So whenever you are passing discount entry, what you have to do, 44,000 multiplied by 10. And with regards to 12% debenture, you have to pass with regards to 12% debenture, what will come, 44,000 into 100, because debentures, the full amount it was of 100 each, right? But we have issued it at discount, so discount separate entry you have to show, and the debenture separate entry you have to show. Okay, so narration, being issue of 44,000 debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10 per debenture in settlement of balance due to Gaukar Enterprise. So this is how they paid whatever the amount was remaining, like this they paid by issuing 12% debentures. Okay. So 12% debentures, we have this much of amount, and with regards to, they have also given discount on that, discount of 4,40,000. Okay. So this is how you have to pass the journal entries in the books of Suvarna Company Limited. So the fourth question is, Amit Company Limited made the issue of following debentures. So we have to pass journal entries in the books of Amit Company Limited. First one is A part, what they have given, 6,000 12% debenture of rupees 200 each at rupees 180 each for cash. Okay, so now debentures are of 200 each, but they are giving it at 180 each for cash. So that there comes a discount over here. Debentures actually is of 200, so you have to minus 180 for that, from that, so you'll get 20. Okay, 20 is discount. Okay, now whenever you are passing the first entry, what will come is bank account debit, because this you are issuing into the bank account. So 6,000 multiplied by 180 will come. Okay, not 200, because 20 is discount on that. So you'll get this amount. Okay, next, since discount is there, discount on issue of debentures are there, you have to pass 6,000 are of debenture, 6,000 into 20, you will get 6,000 into 20 you have to do, so you will get 1,20,000. Okay, after that, you have to pass this entry, you have to credit this entry to 12% debenture account. So 12% debenture account, the total amount you have to show. So these two entries we have debited and this will be credited. So the total credit amount you have to show over here. At the duration, what you have to pass is being issue of 6,000, 12% debentures of rupees 200 at a discount of 20 each. So you have issued 6,000 debentures of rupees 200, but you have issued it at discount of rupees 20. So bank account we are going to show only 180, 6,000 into 180. Okay, and not we are not going to calculate it on 200 because discount is given. Then since discount is there, the extra entry came, this entry came. Okay, next entry what you have to pass is the second situation what they have given, to a bank loan of rupees 10 lakhs as a collateral security, 12,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each. Journalize the transaction. So now they are taking a loan from the bank. So the next entry what you have to pass is this entry, being money borrowed from bank. Okay, and how much they borrowed is 10 lakhs. So since they borrowed it from bank account, then now this Amit company's bank account is getting debited by 10 lakhs to bank loan account. So bank loan account is getting credited over here. So this is the second entry. Now whatever the collateral security is there, now you have to put it into the suspense account, because here they have mentioned they are keeping some security for the loan whatever they have taken. So 12,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each. Journalize the transactions they have given. So the security what they are keeping is extra. Bank loan they are getting 10 lakhs, and whatever the security they are keeping is of extra. So you have to write down, you have to put that amount into the debenture suspense account. Okay, to 10% debenture account. So only this entry will come, the new entry what you have to pass, and here you have to show how much is the debentures, how much collateral security they have kept. So narration what you have to pass is being 12,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each issued as a collateral security for bank loan. So here you have to do uh, debenture suspense account 12 lakhs you have to show. Okay, then here with regards to the bank account debit to discount on issue of debentures to 12% debenture account, you have to debit this amount, these two amounts. Okay, and you have to write down how they have issued this particular debentures, but here they have mentioned they have given discount. So here with regards to the third entry, debenture suspense account, 12,000 into 100 you have to do, because 100 they have given as a 100 rupees share they have given. Okay, debentures of rupees 100 each. So 12,000 into 100 you will get this amount, 12 lakhs. Okay, so this is how you have to pass journal entries in the books of Amit Company Limited. So now let's move to the MCQ part, and the first MCQ is, what is return on debentures called? And the options given are dividend, commission, interest and royalty. So the correct option here is interest. So we get return on debentures, we always get interest as return. Okay. Next, debenture holders are. Who are the debenture holders? So debenture holders, always they are the creditors of the company. So here the options given are debtors, creditors, external users or the owners of the company. The correct option is creditors of the company. Owners of the company are shareholders. Then next, generally debentures are how. Now here they have given what are actually the debentures. Debentures are secured, partly secured or not secured. So the correct option here is debentures are secured. Then non-convertible debentures are dash. So options: cannot apply for shares, cannot be issued, cannot be converted into shares, or cannot be redeemed. So the correct option here is it is cannot be converted into shares. So non-convertible debentures cannot be converted into shares. Next, debenture is an acknowledgement of debt and a contract for the repayment of the principal amount with. So whenever company takes from the public, okay, that time they repay it with the interest. So here the correct option is interest. Next MCQ, debentures for a longer period which are secured by either fixed charge or floating charge on asset are called. So the options given are unregistered debentures, unsecured debentures, secured debentures, or and bearer debentures. So here the correct option is secured debentures. So debentures which are for longer period of time, they are either be secured by fixed or floating charge. Okay, and they are called as secured debentures. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe.